Hey guys, Dave here from Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. You know what? For some weird reason, I got a craving for beef teriyaki. And I thought maybe do takeout. Then I thought, no. I got 30 minutes. I'm going to make it at home. So I made up some ground beef teriyaki, 30 minutes, simple ingredients. Came out absolutely incredible. So let me show you how to do it. Okay guys, we're going to start by making one of our simple sauces. So what I've got here is about half a cup of sour cream. And to this, I'm going to add some sriracha. Just love saying that word. And it's just such a, I don't know. We'll say about a teaspoon or two, really depending on how hot you want it. Then we shall follow this up with about a tablespoon of water. Depending on the consistency you want. And we'll just grab up a small spoon and stir this up. Now, this is a pretty simple sauce, guys, so you can add whatever you like to it, but this is simplistic enough for me, but I think I'm going to add just a little bit more water because you want this just thin enough to drizzle, and it's not quite drizzly enough. So we'll go in with another, half a tablespoon or something. So what you want, guys, is just about like this so it drizzles. So I ended up adding, about 3 tablespoons of water to this to get it to drizzle, but that's about perfecto right there. Next up, let's make our second sauce by starting with a half a cup of water. And to this, I'm going to add a third of a cup of soy sauce. And this is low sodium, but you can use a regular. Then a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, a third of a cup of packed brown sugar, a tablespoon of cornstarch just to thicken things up, and a couple of teaspoons of good old sesame oil, or sesame oil. And of course, we'll give everything a stir up here, and we'll just set this aside. And it's funny, guys, just a simple sauce, and already it smells good. I bet you this is going to be good. And like I say, so simple. Okay, next up, we're going to add some oil to a pan over a medium-high heat. About a tablespoon. Then we are going in with an lb or a pound of medium ground beef. I'll just kind of break this up. And we're going to cook this up until it's basically browned up. This will take, 5 minutes or so. Once our beef is basically browned up, I'm going to move everything to one side of the pan here. And we are going in with 3 cloves of garlic and a thumb-sized ginger. And a couple of sliced up green onions here. You can use scallions too. Now we'll just stir and saute this for about 2 minutes until that incredible aroma fills the air, guys. Okay, now that wonderful aroma has filled the air, I'm going to mix everything together here. And my goodness, guys, this is smelling incredible already. Now in with about 3 cups of broccoli florets, about 1.5 cups of carrots that I've grated up. And of course, you know me, I'm going to pepper this up a little bit. Not a little bit, I guess about a teaspoon or 2. Grab up a couple of spoons and we'll toss everything together. And we're just going to kind of stir fry this until that broccoli begins to turn a nice bright green. And that won't take all that long, maybe 3 minutes, something like that. You can already see it starting to turn right now. Alrighty then, you probably guessed it, that sauce is going over the top. She is coming together now, guys. Once again, we'll give everything a toss until that sauce completely covers. Oh my goodness. That aroma is just incredible. And we're just going to come in closer, guys, and have a look. And just look at this. I know you wanted to see this. And I have to say, this is probably one of the simplest stir fries you'll ever make, and one of the best. This is going to be super good. Now we shall just kill the heat here, guys, and we is ready to serve. Alrighty then, I made up some rice, so I am just going to add some rice to a plate here. Just something like that. It's nothing better than fresh rice. Then, of course, that wonderful ground beef mixture over the top. Now, of course, we're going to drizzle some of that sauce over the top. And, of course, some more green onions over top of that sauce. And last but not least, it just wouldn't be teriyaki without a few sesame seeds. And there you have it, guys, our simple and easy 30-minute budget ground beef teriyaki. You are simply going to love this. All right, guys, let's dig in here and grab some of this up. Got to get some rice. Some of that ground beef on there, get all the vittles. Gotta do a bit more rice there. That's perfect. Let's look at that. All right, let's give it a taste. You know what, guys? I would dare you to go out and find some better teriyaki. Reasonably priced, so good, so easy to make. You just simply have to make this. And if you do, leave us a comment because I love to read them. And most of all, subscribe and give us a like because it does help the channel out. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to have more, and we'll see you next time because this is absolutely
incredible.